Look what the dog dragged in.
Found me just walking around lost. Like, who is this stranger? Hi. You got something hanging out of your mouth. Is there a mouse in her mouth?
Frankers, have you got a mouse in your mouth?
What are you in?
Oh
my god.
Yuck.
That's why you wouldn't come
that
say
to the
hello.
camera. Anyway, Frankers is wrecking another shot here today. It's a lovely day. I got Myles here to help, and I got 4 new tires for the 72 Newport and a set of points, because the points are just fried on the car. So I'm going to pull it up here and we're going to get that done. Maybe go for a little drive.
Sounds a little farty.
Oh yeah, the exhaust is
There are a couple little holes in.
Okay. I've got to put a set of points in the old girl here just quick. So that'll be the first thing. And it's not really too much of a skill tester. Well, I'm going to say that now anyway. There's lots of tread on them, but they're cracking.
Right?
They're cracked so bad.
Years of sitting around. Yeah, I think mine's electronic. I didn't even remember, but I must have installed electronic.
Oh, okay.
3/4? Oh, look at touch trigger. Oh, thanks. I can get it. Get on your points.
Well, these tires all hold there, so I'll leave them for
something
for a yard car. Yeah. Wouldn't even hurt my feelings to clean these mags up. They were actually pretty good when I got them.
Were they? That's a hard thing about running them in the winter.
Yeah, they weren't great. Like they weren't mint. But
so everything's right-hand thread.
Huh?
Everything's right-hand thread.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah, so far so good.
And
shitty way to find out if you're wrong.
Yeah. See here. This distributor is worn right out. I had it apart trying to fix it, and it's just, there's not really any good way to fix it.
Oh yeah.
These are great. Look at that. The whole thing is burned right off. Car's still running good though. Anyhow, let's chuck the new ones in. They're probably not nearly as good as these. Huh. We better make sure they're actually the same as these. This looks completely different. Please don't be wrong, you fucking shit. What the fuck am I going to do with these? Oh, great. Now I got to combine all this shit, of course. Oh, that pisses me off. They're not even the fucking same, dude. Totally different. Great. That's handy. And now I got to start fabricating shit.
Or head upstairs in the new batch and see if you can size something up.
Maybe we should.
Let's go do that first.
Okay, let's give it a go. Look at this though, eh? Thanks to our friend Phil, who sent a gigantic box of ignition parts, and we literally went upstairs, first box I grabbed. Look at that, buddy, saving the day. I just love it when that happens. Nice old quality stuff, Borg-Warner.
Borg-Warner with the little grease packet inside.
Grease that I squeeze, and it's on my finger, so I'm going to put it on there right now. And let's put these in and we're done.
Yeah.
That makes my day.
That's pretty nice.
Thank you, Phil. This has to be done because I got to go out of town. I haven't left town in 3 years. So.
This is a Christmas vacation.
This is my Christmas vacation car, you guys. This was a gift many years ago from Fury Dave, Agent 1080, one of the original agents. Snap-on, dwell/tachometer. So we got her set to dwell. 8-cylinder. Generally what you want is 2/3 of 360 divided by the number of cylinders. Right, 3 is 45, 2/3. We're looking for 30 degrees roughly. 30 degrees. So I'm going to crank it over.
Okay.
So I want it to see it 30-ish.
Yeah. About 20, 22.
22. So
then you
that
gotta open 'em?
means that the gap is too big.
Is that right?
Yeah.
To get a higher number, you bring them tighter together.
Yeah. So now we should be able to close it up, and that would be on this side, I think.
28. 27, 28.
28's pretty close.
Pretty close.
Let's try tightening them up a teensy bit. Clear.
Yep. Yep. 32. Pretty damn good, I would say.
Pretty good, yeah. Probably supposed to be. Well, they're usually like, 28 to 32 or 30,
a little
whatever,
range.
right?
Is there batteries in here or anything? Or the,
Nope.
the charge fires
Yeah,
itself?
I think that's all it is just a gauge.
Cool.
Nice old unit for getting your points spot on. Yeah, but the distributor in this car is shot. There's so much slop in it.
Oh yeah.
That there's no way of getting everything really very good. Where's the extra wire that I took off?
There somewhere.
There it is. Can't be too far.
We should bump your timing. It seems very tame, the motor.
It is very tame.
Laid back and kind
That's
of
good.
rampant.
That's good for gas mileage.
Is that what that is?
All right, I'm going to check the oil and maybe tighten that belt. That looked a little sloppy, eh? It's okay. Oh, the power steering belt is loose.
Yeah.
I like when the bolts are so dirty that you have to look at the size of the lump of grease and try and imagine what size the bolt might be under there.
Yeah.
That's this car. Well, I guess the question becomes, what's the appropriate wheel cover decoration for this now? It looks pretty scuzzy with nothing, I'll tell you.
Well, take me up just a hair.
Yeah.
Just be a touch taller.
Yeah, those ones that were on there are pretty small.
Well, I like that you're going to big tires.
These are 235/75.
Yeah.
Which is about as big as you can get on these things.
Get some lug nuts. We need to steal some lug nuts.
Okay, let's get the last ones that we have on here.
We only have 3. 2 of them like I lost.
Okay.
Because you picked locking nuts instead of
Our buddy Dan that taught the firearms course, they're from his BMW. Steven or somebody said they might be able to use them, or Dean, I don't know. But of course they didn't take them. They just fucking leave them here.
Well, they just came, looked, and said, alright, I know
I'll
they're
take
here.
those. We'll take them fucking now.
It's free rim storage.
Yeah, it's not. It's going in the garbage. But I got the tires from his BMW for my blue Volvo, which is sitting on 4 flats.
Yeah.
Okay.
For a walk.
Yep. Well, let's go. Oh, grab that thing. Yep. Who else wants to go for a walk? I know somebody. Come on, Frangers. It's your favorite thing. Shopping for lug nuts. Hey, go on over here. No, you can't have your dead carcass.
So we just need 2, or we need
2 for
7?
that one, and yeah, we need 7. All of my cars are so old that they have the bolts.
Oh my god.
Like I got 20 Mopars here, and they're all pre-62. Oh man. Well, let's take 3 off of this side.
We've already robbed this car, I think.
We can get 4 of these, or 3, I guess.
Yeah.
3. What do we need? 7? Well, might as well take 4 off of this side and 3 off the other.
Yeah.
Poor old Fury.
She's not running anytime soon.
The old 72 Fury. I thought about reviving it for a winter beater. It'd actually be pretty funny. But it's pretty poopy. Like, whoosh.
She's pretty beat.
Yeah, it would need all new. Even to be a winter beater, it would need a lot of work.
Hey, let's fight with the fence.
Yeah. What do you think, Boo? Ready for a road trip, hey?
Hi. Yeah.
Hey, settle down. Yeah, so what are we going to put on for wheel covers?
I don't know. I mean, if you painted the rims, donate a set of dog dish.
Yeah. Well, I think painting the rims would be a lipstick on a big situation.
Yeah.
We've selected for the Newport a set of 15-inch wheel covers. These are actually from a Chrysler Newport. You guys can leave a comment as to what year. I think I know what year these are from. Anyway, whatever, what's going on? We put her down.
Yep.
Breaker's out of the way.
Out of the way.
Breaker's out of the way. Rubber mallet time.
That dresses the girl up a little.
Hey? Yeah. Yeah, none of this was done to look good. It's just we got to get this thing safe enough for a couple more road trips.
Beauty. Beauty.
Yeah, it looks fine, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Just going down the road. And it's not really running any better, I don't think, than it was. I had set the points because it would barely run a couple weeks ago when we pulled it out. Remember we went to the store and it was stalling and everything?
Yeah.
Well, I pulled it in the next day and the points had no gap at all and they were filthy, even though, and they were burnt. So I gapped them and set them, and then it ran fine. But I'd already ordered new ones. I didn't need it, they were fried. So I thought, well, before I go on a trip, we need new tires and we need to do points. Both of which seem to be just fine.
Good.
Oh, maybe we should try and
Get her up to speed a little here.
yeah, just get her up to 100. Well, I was going the wrong way there.
Yeah. I could do 100 down here. Test loop.
Yeah.
Entering test loop. Start your stopwatches.
I just had to pick my battles, and this one is just on the side of the, like, I enjoyed this car for 20 years. I paid $200 for it.
Yeah, best car.
And it's been an absolute hammer. And the very best parts of this car are going to live on and make that, save that wagon. So there's no sadness if we retire this car to take its very best parts. I wouldn't want to park this car. The reason I bought it was the drivetrain.
What?
Burns the tires.
Those
buddy.
winters don't get the grip I thought they did.
Look at that, 70 miles an hour, 75 just about.
Looks like 80 here, but it's just the angle.
Yeah, absolutely a treat.
Hopefully you
should
got
have done it years ago. Funny that, and if If it was just for me, I would have driven on the old ones, but you know, taking Frankers, so.
Yeah. It's like you wait to do all the renovations on your house
Right
and then
before
you
you
flip
sell
it.
it.
Yeah.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.